Are you ready to witness the astounding metamorphosis that awaits? Brace yourself for an extraordinary journey from the before to the unforgettable. Welcome to a world where design dreams become reality. Witness the seamless installation process, where ordinary spaces transcend into extraordinary showcases of style and sophistication. Each cut, each curve, tells a story of meticulous attention to detail. Bodaq Interior Films provide endless design possibilities. With an extensive range of patterns, you can effortlessly create a personalized space that reflects your unique style. Witness the transformative power of Bodaq films as they breathe life into spaces once devoid of character. We can refinish almost any surface, saving your budget and time. Bodaq is Class A fire-rated and waterproof. Don't be afraid to use it in bathrooms and kitchens. We offer a vast selection of over 500 patterns, including solids, wood, metal, fabric, marble, leather, and many more. These patterns are designed to withstand the rigors of everyday use, ensuring their durability for years to come.